Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Yves once here again, and today I'm bringing to you the fluffy whipped body and hair butter. You know the winter is here, and the winter usually dries out your skin, it dries out your hair, so you need something stronger to protect your hair and skin. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. To start, I am going to need some cocoa butter, and I have here about 200 grams of cocoa butter. Next, I'll be needing some shea butter, and I have here about 100 grams of unrefined shea butter. I'll get a pan and come in with the shea butter and the cocoa butter. Now I'll put this on low fire to melt everything up. Do not worry, the heat is not going to decrease its potency because shea butter and cocoa butter are both extracted using heat. So after melting it, I'll get a bowl and transfer the oil inside. Next, I'll come in with about a tablespoonful of coconut oil. Since the oil is warm, it will melt up the coconut oil. I'll be coming in with about 2 tablespoonfuls of carrot oil. If you don't know how to make carrot oil, I have the link in the description box, you can check it out. Finally, I'll come in with a tablespoonful of castor oil. This oil is very thick, so you just need a little bit. I'll put in a few drops of lavender essential oil. With the help of my mixer, I'll give it a little mix. After mixing, I'll set it aside to cool down. After it has cooled down, I'll come in with my mixer again and start whipping it up. So basically, you're going to be whipping for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now I must say, all of the butters and oils used in this video are very potent when it comes to the skin and hair. This is a very powerful combo which is going to help prevent dry skin. It will soaking out your skin whilst erasing any unevenness. Castor oil and cocoa butter are very great when it comes to stretch marks. Cocoa butter is also known as a very great blemish control butter. Shea butter is going to hydrate both your skin and your hair. And I must say, I love the chocolate smell of cocoa butter. So after whipping for about 6 minutes, this is what we have here. I'll get a storage container and transfer it inside. And as you can see, a pea amount goes a very long way. Not only is it going to leave you hydrated, but it's going to give you that smooth and younger looking skin. If you've got stretch marks, just take a pea amount and massage it on the affected area. You are going to see improvements within a week of using it religiously. So this is it guys, and I hope it did help you. If you give it a try, let me know how it comes out for you. And if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.